Do you have an elite youth athlete, or perhaps you are an athlete yourself? Let me tell you how to make it easy for coaches, recruits, teammates, fans, and scouts to view your sports journey. Athletes at all levels are now using eConnect Cards app to create a personalized sports card for easy sharing. It's like having your own customized digital sports resume for any type of athlete at any age level, and it's free and easy to set up. It's a great way to stay connected and organized. With an Athlete eConnect card, you can share your team information, contact details, accomplishments, positions, academic milestones, upcoming events, game schedules, tournaments, and more. You can even share your highlight videos from popular social sites like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Having this information on an organized eConnect card makes it easy to share all of your information with one simple link or QR code, and makes it seamless for others to quickly access everything about your sports journey all in one place. Have you recently changed teams, received a scholarship, or won a championship? You can share updates and milestones in real time with your eConnect network. To get started, visit our website at www.econnectcardsapp.com. Download the eConnect Cards app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store and create your free Athlete e-card today to start sharing your sports journey. You never know where this e-card can take you.